the shine in my hair for a second? I used a new blow dryer yesterday for the very first time outside of using like a drugstore $20 one. This one is comparable to the really expensive ones, and I think it's on sale for $60 right now. My hair is so soft and shiny. I've never had my hair this soft from a blow dry at home. I honestly didn't think that buying the more expensive blow dryers was going to make a big difference in my hair. Apparently it does. I haven't even brushed my hair, honestly. I just blow dried it and then finger combed it. And it's so shiny. You have to get this. It's linked on here. It's